Okay. So today we talk about the home cooling or domestic cooling. How we can provide the air cooling for the domestic purpose. So here, as you see, one, two, three, four, five, there are the numbers. See, first is our compressor. Okay. Second is our external fan. This is our external fan is here. Third is the condenser. This is our condenser. This is our condenser. And fourth is the interconnecting pipe work. See, that is our interconnected pipe work. Fifth, evaporator coil. Fifth is evaporator coil. And sixth is indoor fan motor. So what happened here? See, there is a piston cylinder type of assembly. So what happened? This compressed the air. So compressor air is there. So this compressed the air, and I already told you in our previous unit based on the air compressor. So what is the important of compressed air? So see, the best application of the compressed air is used in our refrigeration and air conditioning too. So compressor used to compress the air. A fresh air is coming, and now red color show the compressed air. And this is our external fan and condense coil. This is our condense coil. So they are condensing the air, means now air is cool in comparison to here. Okay. Interconnected pipeline, 4 is interconnected, means the compressed air and either air is condensed and then again supplied to the for the compressing. Okay. So this is evaporator at the place of 5, and 6 is indoor fan. So what happened in the air conditioning, domestic air conditioning, there is a inside fan to blow the cool air in the room. Function of an air conditioning. What is the function of air conditioning? See, humidity in the air. What is this humidity? By the humidity, body starts sweating. So much sweating is there, and the efficiency of work by the human is decreased. Relative humidity, a measure of much water in the air relative to maximum amount air can be whole at that temperature. So what happened in comparison to measure of the much water, means the water presents much more in that requirement. So that is our humidity, means water content is much more that the ratio, so humidity is more in comparison to normal days. So what happen, why, when this will be happen, when we live in the at the place of sea presented, means like Mumbai, Bangalore, Vizag, Kanyakumari, Kerala. These are the bank of the seas. So what happened in that area? Humidity is very high in comparison to Nasik. In Mumbai, what happened? In Mumbai, there is no winter season. There is no winter season. All days same, because you see in the Mumbai in the December and January is also only need a t-shirt and shirt. There is the public is not using the sweater blazer like that, the winter clothes, because the humidity is very much higher in that place due to the sea bank present in the city. Okay, so how we get comfort? Because air is very hot, and when we work in the hot air present, our humidity is very high. Then what happen? The efficiency of the human is low. The human is tired very fast, means they can work for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and they start, their bodies start sweating. Then what happened? Their whole attention is on the sweating. Then they pick up the towel, handcuff to swipe up the sweats. Okay, so that's why the air conditioning is important, because through the air conditioning we can increase the efficiency of the human. If comfortable environment is there, then what happened? Human efficiency, work efficiency is increased. They are not, the human are not tired too early. So see here, humidity relationship. See, 4 equal size of container at 80 degree Fahrenheit will have the different moisturizer container at a different relative humidity. This is the 100% relative humidity. This is 50% relative humidity. This is 20%, and this is 10%. So see, there is the dry build temperature degree in Fahrenheit, and this is our moisturizer ratio. Labs moisturizer are dry air. So see, 100% relative humidity is go far away, 0.032. That is very high moisturizer ratio. And where the relative humidity is less, see, the moisture ratio is low. See, the water content is high. These show the water content, means moisturizer ratio is so the water content. See how the water content decrease to decreasing the relative humidity. Okay, now temperature versus work relationship. Temperature versus work relationship. So see here, if it is dew point, means sweating is start here. So to avoid the humidity, we just used to drinking cold waters. Are we going to find the cool area? See, this is our cool side. So we can below this. What happened? This is our comfort zone. The efficiency of our work is very high. But above that, sunrise is there, and the where is the heated area, the cactus type of plant is survive because they are survive in very less water. What are the principle? See, air conditioning. There is cool air which is inside the room. This is hot air which is outside the room. Okay, there is our compressor, and here is also a compressor which is compress and condense the air to get a cool air, and the hot air which is present in the room is go through the these fans to outside of the room. Expansion valve and compression. See, so see, this is A where extension is there. Okay, means what happened? The hot thing is there. This blue line show the condense or compressor, so cooling is there. So arrangement, what is the arrangement? See here, cabinet cover, condenser. See here the condenser. This is our evaporator, room air conditioner, and condenser fan is there, evaporator fan is there, and this is our filter. So this side is our, this is the example of window AC. This is the example of window AC, and this side is outside the room, and this side is inside the room. So the cool air pass through this filter, and here hot air is pass out to environment by this portion. So type of the air conditioners. Room air conditioners, center air conditioning system, heat pump, evaporating the cooler. So see, this is our AC, or we can say that this is our window AC. It is, this is requirement to cut a window to set this type of AC, air conditioning system. Now, see, different type of AC is there. Room air conditioning. Room air conditioning cool rooms rather than entire home. Okay, so room AC is utilized for cooling a single room, cooling the single room. Okay, so less expensive to operate the central unit. Okay, so it is less expensive. Their efficiency is generally lower than that of the central air conditioning. Okay, and can be plugged into any 15 or 20 ampere and 115 volt household circuit that is not shared with any other major applications. Major applications means like refrigeration, refrigerator and heaters, room heaters. These are the major applications because they utilize more electricity in comparison to other tools. So the plug is not circuit are not shared by any other major applications. So here you can see this is our room and condenser, roof, cool gas is there. This is our reservoir. Cool liquid is there. Hot compressed gas is there. Means we can say this is there is the hot gases, and these are the condition. This is our cool and dehumidity. Means humidity is not present here. So the heat is outside and cool is this side. Okay, this is our A and B present here. So center conditioning or central air conditioning, what is that? Circulate the cool air through a system of supply and return duct. Supply duct are refrigerant operating in the wall, floor or ceiling cover by the grill carry cooled air from the air conditioner to the room, to the home. So what happened? The central AC is used for the home, not the room, because the room AC is only for a single room, but central AC is used for the whole home. Are these AC is also used in the shopping malls and cinema theaters. So central AC is utilized for the big houses, cinema halls, shopping malls. There are the conven sorry business purpose utilization. This cooled air become warmer as it circulated through the home. Then it flow back to the central air conditioner through return duct and refrigerator. Type of this rental AC: split system. An outdoor metal cabinet contains the condenser and compressor, and an indoor cabinet contains the evaporator. Packaged: the evaporator, condenser, and compressor all are located in one cabinet. Here, separate cabinet, split system. This is packed system. Okay, so all evaporator, condenser, and compressor are located in the same cabinet or one cabinet. Large air conditioning system. Outside air is drawn in the filter and heated before it passes through the main air conditioning device. The color line in the lower part of the diagram show the change of the temperature and the water vapor conditioner, not relative humidity, as the air flow through the system. See here, this is the water, summer condition and winter condition. Okay, so here this diagram is cool, reheat, humidity, and summer, temperature, winter, summer and winter. This is our moisturizer. Okay, so we can create, this is for the large air conditioning, and this is used for the like metro railway stations, where the like the in the Delhi there is so many metro station where this large air conditioning is used, or we can see this in very big shopping malls. Okay, total air conditioning. See, so this is our duct system. So what happened? A frontal stable air is here, and see, these are the ducts. Through these ducts, we can provide the air conditioning through all the area. This is outer zone. This is cool air is there, and duct system is there. Fresh air inside and cooled air supply through these ducts. Visual fresh air mixture and dust are pollutant filter. Supplementary heating with radiator, mini heater, and humidifier in the air stream to each room. Means here we can centralize air conditioning in a one place, and by the duct system we can supply this cool air in each and every room which is present, like this system is utilized for the resorts and big hotels. Okay, so they can utilize this system to supply the cool air in the rooms. So sizing of the conditioners, how large your home and how many window it has, how much shade is on your home, window, wall and roof, how much insulation is in your home, ceiling and wall, how much air leakage into your home from the outside, and last, how much heat the occupy and the applicants in your home generated. Means because the air conditioning is cool a limited area, so that the cool air leakage is harmful for the AC, air conditioning. Means you can see the AC rooms or AC class are fully closed from the surrounding. Means in the rooms only air is available which is come from the air conditioning only. Direct air is not entered in the room, so packing is taking place so that the outside air is not entered directly. All air come in the room, that is through only air conditioning system. So if leakage is there, then what happened? Your room is comparatively taken more time to cool your room. Okay. Now, energy consumptions. See, air conditioner are rated by the number of British thermal unit BTU of heat they can remove per hour. Another common rating term for the air conditioning size is the ton. Okay, like if anyone have air conditioning in their home, then we can purchase the AC in unit of ton. Okay, 1 ton, 1.5 ton AC, 1 ton AC, like that. So what is that? That is the heat can remove per hour. Means 1 ton AC, 1 ton AC remove the 1 ton volume air from your house to outside and give the fresh air or cool air in the room. The capacity is 1 ton, 1.5 ton. Means if the capacity in ton is increases, then the cooling rate is higher. Okay, then the cooling rate is higher. Means if a room using 1 ton AC and other room is using 1.5 ton AC, then which room is using 1.5 ton AC, that is cool in comparison to faster which is used 1 ton AC. Okay, so room air conditioning are range from 5,500 BTU British thermal unit per hour to 14,000 BTU per hour. Energy efficiency. Today, best air conditioner are used 30% to 50% less energy than 1970. Even if your conditioning is only 10-year old, you may save 20 to 40% of your cooling energy cost by replacing it with a new, more efficient model, because new model is consume very less electricity. What happened in old size AC, they consume much more electricity. Then what happened, it is effect on your pocket, because if they consume more electricity, then the electricity bill is very higher. So if we have old model AC, then it is economical to change with new model. So rating is based on how many British thermal unit are BTU per hour removed from the each watt of the power is drawn. For room air conditioner, this efficiency rating is the energy efficient ratio, or EER, energy efficiency ratio. For central air conditioner, it is the seasonal energy efficiency ratio. Seasonal energy efficiency ratio, SEER. Built after January 1990 need have an EER of 8.0 or greater. EER of at least 9.0 if you live in a middle climate, and EER over 10 for warmer climate. Means this is the January case, when some coolness is available in the air, and this is 9 when we mid in the means some February and March is there, or October and November month is there, then this will be easy. And over 10 from like April, May, June, July, this is the warmer month where we can utilize the ratio more than 10. Central AC. National minimum standard from the central AC or air conditioning required a SEER of 9.7 for single package and 10.0 for the split system. Units are available with SEERs reaching nearly 17. Now, energy saving methods. So, locate the air conditioner in a window or wall area near to the center of the room and on the salient side of the house. Minimize air leakage. Means if your air leakage is minimized, then It is also save your electricity. Minimum air leakage by the fitting the room air conditioner suddenly into it, opening and sealing gap with a foam weather stripping materials. So this is our introductory class about the air conditioning. This is our intro